How to fix Instagram gold notes not showing. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Are you unable to make golden notes on Instagram? If so, I have got you covered. I will show you the two best ways to solve this issue. Let's start with our first solution. Make sure you are using the latest version of Instagram. If not, please open the Play Store or App Store, tap on the search bar and search for Instagram. If you see the update button, tap on it to update the app. Once updated, you should be able to make golden notes on Instagram. Since you are now using the latest version of the app, let's move on to our second solution. But before that, make sure to implement the first solution by updating the app. Let's begin. Open the updated Instagram app, tap on the message icon at the top. Here, you will see the note section. Tap on the Your Note option to start creating a note. Now write anything you like. Then tap Share. As you can see, I am not getting golden notes even though I am using the updated version of Instagram. This is because not every note will turn into a golden color. You will need to use specific keywords to make golden notes. Let me explain further. As we all know, the Paris Olympics are ongoing. To celebrate this event, Instagram has added a golden notes feature. So you will need to add keywords related to Paris Olympics. If you don't include these keywords, you won't be able to get the golden notes. Now take a look at the keywords I am showing to you. These keywords are all related to Paris Olympics and will turn your notes into gold if you add any of them. I will demonstrate using some of the keywords. For example, let's use the first keyword, gold. Return to Instagram notes and type in any sentence you want. But make sure to include the keyword gold, which is the first keyword on the list. For example, I have written gold notes. Then tap Share. As you can see, my note has turned into golden color. Let's try the second keyword, Olympics. Return to Instagram notes and type in any sentence you want. But make sure to include the keyword Olympics, which is the second keyword on the list. For example, I have written Paris Olympics 2024. Then tap Share. As you can see, my note has turned into golden color. However, if you don't include any of the keywords from the list, then tap Share. Your Instagram note will be posted as a normal note and won't turn into golden color. So make sure to include keywords like gold, Olympics, medal or any other keyword from the list to ensure your notes turn into the golden color. And there you have it. You have successfully learned two of the best ways to fix golden notes not showing on Instagram. However, if you are watching this video after some time and have tried both solutions but still can't get gold notes, it might be the case that the feature is no longer available in your region or has been removed by Instagram after the Olympics. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.